Doc McStuffins Pet Vet. Hi, welcome to the Pet Vet Clinic. We're here to help.
If a toy pet is feeling run down or sick or tired, well, Doc's not just a doctor for toys, she's also a vet for toy pets.
And if a pet's feeling as fit as a fiddling firefly, they can play outside with Stuffy and me or visit Lambie's nap corner.
But if a pet doesn't feel very good, they can come see me for a checkup.
And Doc's clipboard lets her know which toy pet needs help next.
Ready, set, let's pet vet!
Find him!
Aw, you're not feeling too well, are you? Let me see what's wrong. I wonder if anyone here needs a checkup. I don't think this pet should go out and play. I better give it a checkup. Let's see what's wrong. I have a diagnosis. This is a case of chargeodrenoplexy. You need some new batteries. Whoops, I grabbed the wrong tool. I'll need to take out these screws so I can replace the batteries. Done. Now I have to take out the old batteries. Once I move the old batteries out, I'll give them to Dad to get rid of. Before I can put in new batteries, I need to take out the old ones. You're all charged up. That must feel better. Now you can do lots of laps around Stuffy's obstacle course.
Ta-da! What do you think of my obstacle course, Doc?
It's amazing, Stuffy. The pets are really gonna like it when we guide them through the obstacles.
You got this! Did you see that? Almost there!
Go, little one, go!
All right, all right, all right! Who's an all-star pet? You are, that's who. Yes.